Morning, dear students. Today we are going to listen to a rhyme. Okay, after that I'm going to teach you some it's suspense. I will teach you something. Okay, and here is a rhyme for you. I will sing it for you. You just go through the lines. Okay. Little Jerry Rabbit did a fly upon his nose. Little Jerry Rabbit did a fly upon his nose. Little Jerry Rabbit did a fly upon his nose. He flicked it and it flew away. Jerry, Jerry, Jerry Rabbit. Jerry, Jerry, Jerry Rabbit. Jerry, Jerry, Jerry Rabbit, and he flicked it and it flew away. What happened here? On little Jerry Rabbit's nose, a fly. What's the meaning of fly? A fly came and sat on his nose. Okay? At that time, he flicked it. Our little Jerry Rabbit flicked it, and the fly flew away. Okay, so this is the rhyme for you for today. And here I just want to tell you, we used so many words to have this poem before us. Am I correct? We used so many words. For example, here we use the word little Jerry Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. How many words we used here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 words used in the first line. So when we are speaking also, we are using so many words. When we are speaking each other, we are using so many words. Okay? For example, only we can take this word itself. We are using so many words. We are using so many words. 5 words are used to say a simple sentence. Okay? So in a word, there are number of words. In a sentence, there are number of words. Okay? We will take this example. Little Jerry Rabbit had a fly upon his nose. Here, nouns are there. Auxiliary verbs are there, verb is there. Okay, I'll tell you one example. Jerry, little Jerry. Jerry is the name of a rabbit. Little Jerry Rabbit. That's the name of the little Jerry Rabbit. Name of the rabbit is Jerry, and the Jerry is very little. Understood? So little Jerry Rabbit, that is noun. Then fly. Had a fly upon his nose. Fly, here it is used as noun, because you know fly is a creature which is disturbing us always. If your atmosphere is not neat and tidy, there will be lots of fly. Okay, so here fly, it's a creature, it's a noun, and his nose is a noun. And here in the second line, it's a pronoun. I will explain it later. And here flicked. When the fly came and sat on his nose, he flicked it. Flicked it. What's the meaning of flick? Yeah, that is flick. So this is a verb. And it flew away. It flew away. The fly flew away. So here we can see a lot of words used in just 2 sentences. We are interacting each other now. We are using so many words. Am I correct? So here I am going to underline the nouns in this stanza. Okay. The first one, Jerry, it's a noun. Rabbit, it's a noun because it's a name. Whatever names, the place, the things, the persons, everything, the name of everything is called nouns in English. What's noun? Name of anything, whatever it is. Okay, so it's called nouns in English. Here Jerry is a Jerry is a name, rabbit is a name, fly is a name, nose is a name. So everything is noun. Okay, and here this one is flick this verb that I will discuss later, and it flew away. Flew away is also a verb. We will discuss it later. Jerry, I told you, we already discussed. Jerry, rabbit. So 1, 2, 3, 4 nouns are there in the third line, and he flicked it and it flew away. Flicked and flew away. These are verbs. So listen very carefully. I am going to describe some more things. Ready? So students, listen here. I have written so many words here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 words I have written here. We can read one by one, okay? Please read. Read. First one. Yes, it is mobile phone. Second one. vehicle. How will you pronounce vehicle? Vehicle. This is not vehicle. Many of us are mispronouncing it as vehicle. Vehicle. It is not vehicle, but it is vehicle. Vehicle. In English, the British people says it as vehicle. And the third one is mountain. Fourth one, flowers. You know the meaning of all these words because these words are very familiar to you. Am I correct? So next one is boy, and the next one is girl, and the last one is teacher. Okay. Next, you have to identify whether these words are nouns or verbs. Nouns or verbs. I told you in the previous session that name of anything, whatever it is, whatever name, it is called nouns. Even the name of the animals, persons, school, whatever. The name of anything is called nouns. So mobile phone, is it a noun? Is the name of something? Yes, it's the name of phone. Mobile, it's a kind of phone that we are using. So it's a noun. Vehicle. Yeah, it's a noun. Mountain, it's also a noun. Flower, it's a name of a flower, it's a noun. Boy is a noun, girl is a noun, and the teacher is a noun. Then you have to there is one thing that you have to keep in mind, that these nouns are called common nouns in English. Okay. So what is common noun? Common nouns are the nouns that are common in nature. It is not a specific one. For example, I'll tell you one more example. At that time, it will be clear for you. Mobile phone. We are using different types of mobiles, or different companies we are using. Okay, mobile phone. Can you tell me some of the companies? Which company you are using? Which brand you are using your mobile phone? Is it Huawei or Samsung? What is that? Yeah, Samsung. Okay. So here I am writing Samsung. Then here is one vehicle, I told you. Can you tell me the name of one vehicle? Is there any vehicle at your home? Please tell me. Yeah, vehicle. I think most of you are using bicycle. You have your own bicycle, right? So I am writing here bicycle. Okay. Then can you tell me the name of a mountain? You might have studied the names of many mountains in your class. Do you remember any one of them? Yes, that is Everest. Very good. Mount Everest. Then flowers, you might have known the names of several flowers. Can you tell me one? Yes, rose. Rose is a flower. Then boy, there are many boys and girls in our classroom. I'm just writing the name of one boy. It is, please tell me, I should write, whose name I should write? Please repeat. Boy. Here, no, that is a rabbit actually. Okay, here I will write. There are many names, but Shahal. Okay, it's a name of a boy. Shahal. Okay, then I will write the name of a girl. It is Sherin. Name of a girl. It is Sherin. And teacher. There are many favorite teachers for you. Here itself. Here also you have many favorite teachers. Here, teacher is a noun, but I am writing the name of a teacher. In front of me, there is Adulya ma'am. I am writing her name. Okay, Adulya. So here, mobile phone, Samsung. Mobile phone is a noun. Samsung is also noun. Vehicle is a noun. Bicycle is a noun. Mountain is a noun. Everest is also a noun. Flowers is a flowers. That word is a noun, and name of one flower is rose. Boy, Shahal. Girl, Sherin. Teacher, Adulya. So what is the difference here? This is noun. This is also noun. What is the difference between these nouns? Because this is a common noun. It is not a specific noun. Okay, but here we say the name of the mobile phone, brand of the mobile phone. That is Samsung. Here, any vehicle, it may be any vehicle, bus, car, motorcycle, anything. Okay, but we wrote here bicycle. So it is a specific noun. Mountain, maybe any mountain. We are not talking about a specific mountain, any mountain. But here we wrote Everest. It's a Mount Everest. It's important. It's a specific mountain. Am I correct? Yes. Flowers. There are many flowers. But here we wrote rose. Rose is a specific flower. You can see here. Okay. And boy. There are many boys in the classroom. But I am speaking about Shahal. Okay. There are many girls in the class. But I am speaking about a specific girl. That is Sherin. Okay, and here there are about 20 teachers here in our school. There are about 20 teachers, but now I am speaking about Adulya ma'am. So these are specific nouns. If we are writing the specific noun, there is a term for this specific noun in English. It is called proper noun. So I think you understood the difference between common noun and proper noun now. Common noun, it's actually nouns that are common. It is not specific. Okay? And the proper noun is the noun that we are giving specification. Some specification is there. Mobile phone, maybe any mobile phone. But here we talk about Samsung. Vehicle, any vehicle. This is bicycle, like that. Here it is specific one. I think you understood the difference between common nouns and proper nouns now. Okay, we'll stop here now, and Ashida ma'am will be giving you some worksheets regarding this. Okay, thank you so much.